So now we will also see other types of merging. So merging primarily depends on so it depends on the type of changes in both the branches, merging branch as well as receiving branches, and possible conflicts that those changes bring. So there are three possibilities that can happen when merging takes place. One is fast forward merge that we have seen in our earlier session, then a no conflict merge, and the third one is conflicting merge. So let's look into the no conflict merge and then we'll go for the non conflicting merge. So in no conflict merge, there are changes in both branches. If they do not conflict, then no conflict merge takes place. Let's take this example. So this is our first commit, then this is our second commit. So now our head master. So then at B we are going to take diversion to the another branch, that is feature 1. So once we take the diversion to the feature 1, in feature 1 we have created two uh, commits, that's D and F, whereas in master we have created two commits, that is C and E. Okay, this is the condition of our repository. So after creating the E, so the master will be pointing to the E, the head will be pointing towards master, and that would be at E, commit E. Okay, so now we want to merge this feature 1 with the receiving branch, that is master branch. How can we do it? What type of merge we'll get? In this kind of situation we will get the no conflicting merge. You see that? No conflicting merge. If you have this kind of commits which are not conflicting with each other, so here you can get the no conflict merge. Let's see how it looks. A and then B as usual, then at here the diversion remains same, then df, whereas on other side C and then E. But what happens with the no conflicting merge is these two will be considered as one commit, and it will be committed, it will be added, or it will be committed as a new commit. We call this new commit as a merge commit. So whatever files that you have added in D commit and then F commit, all these files will be added to the master branch with a new commit, and we will identify that new commit as a G, and this commit is called a merge commit because it is merging the files from feature 1 branch into the master branch. That is the reason we call this as a merge commit, and this kind of merging is called no conflict merge. So let's quickly get into the practical demonstration of this. I won't explain everything now because we have been doing these exercises for almost 1 hour. So let me quickly do this so that I can demonstrate the actual one. Okay, so let me clear the screen and ls. So I'll come out of this. So I will create one more directory. This one is no conflict merge. Ls cd to no conflict merge. Nothing is there. Let me clear the screen. lsa. No git was initialized, so I will initialize the git. So lsa. So git has been initialized. Now let's start our action. So I will create so as usual in master master we will create a programming related files. In feature we'll create word and ppt templates. Okay, so here I'll begin with .py. So touch module.py, that's enough. ls one file is enough. Then git add git commit message adding committing python modules. Then let me tag this git tag option a, capital A, and then it is 5650 acc, then m option, and then it is committing Python module is identified as, how do we identify, as tag A. What's the issue? Okay, 5640. Oh, that's the mistake, and that's why it's better to copy. There is no such commit 50. Yeah, it's done. Now you give git log and graph decorate and all. Okay, so the first action done. Yeah, here is that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The initial commit has been identified as capital A. Then we'll do the second commit quickly. For this, um, I will use .net. .net. I use .net extension, or say .html. It's simplest one, easiest one. So index.html, git add, git commit. Where is that? Git commit, committing HTML templates, HTML templates. Then let's tag it. Tag, I'd say B, and then it is 569BFD2, 969BFD2. Then I'm committing HTML template is identified as B. Done. So let me log. Let me see the graph. Yes, you see, commit A, commit B. So two commits has been identified as A and B. So at this moment, if you see here in our previous animation, the head is at B. So now let's take the diversion from B. Let's create a branch. So git branch, and we will name it as a feature 1. So now let's look into the graph one more time so that we'll get a clarity. See, at this point we have a branch. You see that branch. So here we have taken the diversion. So I'm going to add one more tag to this. We call it as a diversion commit. Diversion commit. So let me check the graph. Yes, so this is tagged as diversion commit as well as B, and then it's feature 1. So now let me, after creating the branch, so now we have to do the C commit also. Commit C. So I'm going to add one more file. This time I will add .css. Okay, it is touch template .css. Added, git add and git commit, committing css templates. So committing is done. Now we need to tag it. Tag, let me come here. I'll tag this as C in master branch, and it is F426646, and then committing CSS template is identified as capital C. Done. So let's look into the graph. You see that? So feature 1 is left at here only. You see that? Because this is where at tag at B, at commit B, the diversion has taken place. So after that we have created a C. So that means it can't be a fast forward merge. Okay, so now let's check out to A, B, C is done. Now let us check out to the D. Let's check out to the feature 1 branch, and let's do our first commit in that, and we'll identify the commit as a capital D. Okay, git checkout and it is feature 1. So we have switched to branch feature 1. So let me check what all files are there. You have index.html, module.py. That's it. We do not have uh, CSS file because that was created after creating this branch. By the time the diversion has been taken place. Okay, it's clear now. Okay, so now let me create ppt file. So template, ppt template, ppt. So the file has been created. Git add and then git commit m option and message is committing ppt templates. Okay, done. So let me tag it. Tag, will tag this as a capital D, correct? And it is, let me copy this and paste it. It would be much faster than typing. Copy and paste it. So committing ppt template is identified as capital D. That's it. Let me check the graph now. Let's see how does it look. You see here? You see that? A, B, C is in one line and A, B, D is in another line. You see? A, B, D. This is in one line. A, B, C. This is in one diversion. Here at B, you can see the diversion. You see the diversion. Two roots, a y junction. B is a y junction for us. Okay, anyway, so next commit we will do, so a b c d e commit we are going to do in master branch. So let's check out to master branch. So now we will do the graph. You see that now a b c, A, B, C. Now head is at the master branch. This is one unit and A, B, D. This is one unit because A, B is common. The files that has been committed using commit A and commit B is common in master branch as well as feature 1 branch. So that's the reason A, B, D is the root of feature 1 and A, B, C is the root for the master branch. So now let's create one more commit in master branch, that is E. Okay, so we will add one more file, touch. Now we will take .NET file. So temp okay, database file, we'll take the SQL database. Okay, students db, git add, then git commit m option and committing database files. So now let's tag this. This is E, right? Capital E, and this is, sorry, yep, copy, done. Okay, committing database files is, oh sorry, that's okay, it's just committing message, it's fine. So then let's check how does it look like, the graph, log graph. You see A, B is common for both. A, B, D is, this line is the feature 1 branch and A, B, C, E is the master branch. You see here exactly A, B, C is the master branch and A, B, D is the feature 1 branch. So now let us check out to the feature 1 branch and we are going to do one more commit. So git checkout feature 1 branch. and see A B C E is one branch, A B D is one branch. So now let me touch, let me add one, let me create one file. This is this time PPT is done. Okay, so now Word file. So story dot word, then git add, git commit message committing Word file. Then let's tag it. This time it's F. So F, and it is CC81A. Paste it here. Then committing message, we say Word files is identified as capital F. That's it. Let me check the graph now. It should look exactly similar to what, yeah, it's exactly similar, exactly. If you want, I'll zoom it a bit. It's enough, right? Little more. Yeah, it's perfect now. So let me make it bigger. Yeah, it's clear now. Commit. Yeah, let me make it a little bit, little more bigger. A, B, C, and E. A, B, C, which is green, that belongs to master branch. Exactly, you see here, A, B, C, E. So A, B, C, E, this is master branch, and then A, B, D, and F. This is feature 1 branch. At this moment, the head is in feature 1 branch because we are inside the feature 1 branch. So it's clear. The picture is exactly depicting what I have depicted in what I have depicted on the slide. Correct? So now let me. This is correct one. So let me check out master branch. Now I'll give again the same one. You see, now exactly we are representing the picture. So this time A, B, C, D is our master branch. Sorry, A, B, C, E is our master branch, and head is at master branch. You see, master head is at master branch, and then D, A, B, D, F is at is belongs to feature 1 branch. So simply, if you put it in another way, the files which are committed through A, B, C, E are there inside the master branch, and the files which are committed through A, B, D, F are there inside the feature 1 branch. So now feature 1 branch is like a development for me. So I just want to merge all those files that I have committed in feature 1 branch into the master branch, because master branch is the main branch. Master branch is the base branch. That's what the final I want to use it. So this feature 1 is a development. I am doing development. As I increase, as I do feature 2 development, as I do a few more developments, I will create more branches, feature 1, feature 2, feature 3. At the end of the day, I have to integrate all these new features back into the master branch. So now I am going to do that. Let's see how it's going to turn up. So mark git merge, and what's that branch? It's feature 1. Okay, it has thrown a message saying, but we are not worried about that, WQ. But meanwhile, the merging has taken place. So what kind of merge? So merge made by the ORT strategy, the Git as formed a strategy, and then story.word and templates.ppt. These belongs to feature 1 branch of story.word is F commit and template.ppt is decommit, and these two has the two files has changed, and it has created a new 1006464 10064. This is a new commit. Okay, so let me go for the graph. See the magic and exactly see this graph. Exactly same, right? See this? I will explain. I will explain. Okay. So A and B commit. These are common for the both the branches. And then E is C and E is only belongs to which branch? It's master branch. So A, the green one, A, B, C, E. Till here it is master branch. Whereas feature branch A, B, and then D, where is D and then F. Now what happened? So the D and then F, these two commits, the files which belong, which are committed through D and then F has been committed to the master branch with the new commit. We call this new commit as a merge commit. Okay, so you see that this new commit is called the merge commit. You see that line? It's been the branch, feature branch here. This is head master, and the feature one branch has been merged into the master branch. Okay, yeah. Okay, let me name that first. Let me tag that. Let me tag it. So I will tag this as a merge commit and copy the commit ID. So this is merging. This is merging two branches. So this is merging two branches, and this is identified as merge commit. Okay, brilliant. So now let me see the graph again. You see that this is our merge commit which is on top. Now let me explain one more time. So this is, see the flower symbol. Okay, I will make it bigger. I'll make it bigger. Mm. Yeah, there is no point also whether we make it bigger or smaller, that much only visible. Yeah, so this is commit A, it's common. Commit B, oh sorry, commit B is common for both the files which are committed through B is also common. Then we have commit C that belongs to master. Then we have commit E that belongs to master. You see that green color, till here it's green, and after that you have red. So these four commits belongs to master A. Okay, then after that, there is after B there is one more branch got diverged. Okay, the diversion has taken place after B. So this branch is called feature 1. So feature 1 has two commits, that's D and then F. Now if you see, these two commits has been these two commits has been merged back into the master branch with a new commit called merge commit. I hope you got it. Same thing had happened here. A, B, C and then D, F belongs to feature 1. When we do merge, this D and F, whatever files that have been committed through D and F has been merged back into the master branch with a new commit called merge commit. Let me make this much bigger. You see that? Now I'll scroll it up. This is commit A, commit B. Then at commit B, the diversion took place, and then That's the feature branch, feature one branch. Feature one has two commits, that is D and F, and these two commits has been merged back into the master branch with a new commit, and we call that new commit as a merge commit. Okay, so that's how our no conflict merge works. I hope it's pretty clear for you, because I have shown the animation as well as I have shown the practical demonstration also. So now let's look into the conflicting merge. So if there are changes in both branches, but if they conflict, if the conflict, if the changes are conflicting each other, in that case the conflicting result, what we get is a conflicting merge. In that case, what Git says is, Git, the conflicting result will be left to the working directory for us to fix it and commit it. We have to enter and we have to check, okay, so which commit should be entered first, and then which commit should be entered later. That we have to give it manually. So once you have give it manually, then the system will execute that command. So that's called a conflicting merge. So with this, we have seen all three types of merging: fast forward, no conflict, and conflicting merge.